I'd like to welcome Dr. Kurtis Martin on the program.
How you doing, Doc?
Doing great. Dr. Martin is a cosmetic surgeon here in Cincinnati. He does a great job. He's worked with a lot of clients from Sensible Fitness. But he's also got a story of fitness that he wants to share with us. I understand you have a little back issue.
Right. I found out about 5 years ago I developed a foot drop, and I had a lot of back pain. So I went to see the orthopedic surgeon, and I was informed that I had a spondylolisthesis, which I'm sure you know what that is.
Right.
I actually didn't know that much about it. But that condition has led to getting a couple of bad discs in my back with compression. So at that time, it was not working out. I had kind of gotten middle-aged and gotten a little overweight and just let myself go because I'm working all the time. Yeah. So I didn't have a good gym to go to. So I ended up getting 2 epidurals, which took the foot drop away, thank God, because otherwise I would have had to have a fusion there.
Right.
So the foot drop got better, but I constantly had this back pain, and it got worse and worse. And pretty soon it was affecting my ability to operate. So I would stand for a 7-hour surgery, and at the end of the day, it just hurt so bad. I thought I got to do something about this. So it was recommended, okay, you really need to work out and get your core strengthened up. So I thought, okay, so I started working with TJ, who trains at Sensible Fitness.
Right.
And that's been great. He knew a lot about backs. I was really afraid he would hurt my back with the workouts, and he's never done that. And we started out very slow, and I only work out 2 hours a week because I'm kind of lazy. But that's all it takes, and my back feels great. I have a little tiny bit of pain occasionally. Okay. If I miss 2 weeks of working out, it starts hurting again because I lose some of that stability. Right. Yeah, and I'll tell you, the workout's not even that hard, and it's just amazing that with just a little bit of that core workout, that stabilization, it makes all the difference in the world. And
you're able to perform these long surgeries, and
yeah, I don't lift a lot of weights when I work out. I'm doing lighter things.
Right.
Before I got the trainer, every time I would work out with weights, I would kill my neck or my back or something because I really didn't know what I was doing. I would just go and hoss up a bunch of weights.
Yeah, yeah.
And I found out that is the wrong thing to do.
Exactly.
So I've been real happy there at your place. I like working out there.
Yeah, TJ is a fantastic trainer at Sensible Fitness, and you're right, he has a lot of experience with backs. In fact, any of our trainers are very highly qualified. Mm-hmm. And it's great to hear stories like Dr. Martin's here because, you avoided surgery.
Yeah.
And there's no telling. You're not guaranteed anything with surgery either.
And even the surgeon said, look, this is no guarantee you're going to get better. He said, you're young and healthy. There's probably 90% chance it would work, but it may not.
Right.
And I've got several doctor friends who've had back surgery that has gotten infected, and they're right back now to having terrible pain again, and so I'm so thankful that I could avoid that.
Right.
And it just 2 hours a week.
Well, I'm certainly not condoning 2 hours. I think you should be up to 3 or 4.
Probably. I'm working on it.
But I appreciate you being on the program and sharing your story. Like I said, Dr. Martin's a cosmetic surgeon here in town. If you have any questions regarding cosmetic surgery, he's appeared on our show talking about breast lifts, facelifts, liposuction, all that stuff. You do all that stuff, right?
That's right.
So his number's there on the screen, and I encourage you to give him a call if that's something that you're interested in. Or certainly you can get a hold of him through our website, which is sensiblefitness.com. But thank you again for sharing your story. Look forward to working with you in the future.